work with science as long as you have the passion and curiosity it takes to be a scientist. And for all the young girls who are here, my career was always been like led by taking that big leaps. No, I've always been parang sige, let's get on that next challenge. No, never be afraid to take those big challenges. Sometimes we doubt ourselves kasi. I think it's very normal for girls na dinadoubt natin yung sarili natin, 'di ba? Na parang hindi ako magaling enough, baka kulang pa ako. We're not like guys na minsan yung mga lalaki sugod lang ng sugod. Yung mga girls, we always have that reservation amongst ourselves. But always take note that we are hard workers and we are diligent. I know that females, for a fact, are very hardworking and very diligent. And let's take that springboard into the next big leap that we want to make in our careers. And you see all the stellar accomplishments. You always hear about the CV, but you never hear about the rejections that I have. No, you might think na wala akong rejection, but I got lots and lots of rejections. That's why I always emphasize that before I got that Swiss job, I actually applied to 50 postdoc application, and it was not easy to receive rejection after rejection after rejection. No, tao lang tayo. Bawat rejection masakit sa puso, 'di ba? Kumukurot sa puso mo na was I not good enough? Bakit parang hindi ata ako magaling, 'di ba? It eats in your heart also. But nevertheless, you persevere. You persevere because you know that you have a place under the sun. You know that you have what it takes. Hindi pa lang nakukuha yung hindi pa panahon mo para sa ibang bagay. Kaya just persevere. There's not all scientists the careers of scientists are not built on accomplishments alone. Actually, there were a lot of failures, 'di ba? Kahit si Thomas Edison, 'di ba? Sabi niya 'yon na yung patent niya on the light bulb, actually there was like 1,000 tries before that successful patent. And then lastly, on the thought that we don't trust ourselves as much, Filipinas or females in general, we have less trust in ourselves. And there was an International Atomic Energy officer who came to me after hearing me talk. He said that, why are you not in the IAEA? He said. And then I said, maybe, I'm not so confident. That was just 2 years ago. I said, I'm not confident enough. Like, maybe my CV is not enough. Then he said, why are you saying that? He said, why are you saying that? You know that how a bird just flies all over the place? He said that when a bird actually lands down on something, kanino siya nagtatrust? Doon sa branch o doon sa wings niya? Doon sa wings niya. Hindi, it doesn't matter where the bird lands. But what matters is the bird trusts its wings. So we need to hone our wings, Filipinas. We need to always hone our wings and to always trust those wings wherever we land. Diba? So, yun yung aral niya sa akin. Kaya I always put this in my presentation to inspire young girls and young Filipinas that we need to hone our wings and trust our wings. Right?